but I don't want to go in with a super dark shade. Hi guys, it's Tani. Welcome back to my channel. Today my skin is looking really terrible, so I hope you're excited to see more of that. No, I'm kidding. My skin is actually really great at the moment, besides all of the scarring I have and all the redness. But anyway, so today I am going to attempt something extremely different that I have never ever even tried before. I really want to do a nice like rainbow eye. I have seen this all over Instagram, especially if you follow James Charles. I absolutely love all of his looks that he's been creating. I honestly will not get anywhere near as good as his looks. However, I can try. So today I will be using his palette again. I really love this look that he had done. Something like these ones. Okay, just FYI, please don't think that mine is going to turn out looking that good, but I do just want to give it a go to try something different. So if you would like to see me try and attempt this extremely difficult look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I have already primed my eyelids and filled in my eyebrows, so I'm going to go straight into the colour. I'll start with the warm tones. I don't really know how to start this. Should I do a transition or not? Oh, this is going to be a disaster. I can already feel it. I have like no clean brushes. This is going to be an issue. Okay, so I'm going to go in with, whoa, this palette is huge. I'm going to go in with this yellow colour first. Do that more like in here, you know what I mean? Oh, I love this brush. I'm really going to make it really intense because I will do a half cut crease, so I really want this colour to like peek through. Okay, I think that'll do for now. What I'll do is I'll transition into the orange and then the red, and I can go back and intensify that if needed. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this bright orange shade here, and I'm going to do that in the center of my crease. And then going back in with the yellow. I'm going to try to blend that. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a disaster. I can feel it. No, I'm not gonna give up. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the red, can you see that? The red shade here. I'm also gonna bring that down onto like my outer corner as well. I'm just using a really light hand so I can blend those shades together. I might just blend it, even though I'm still going to go. I'll keep going in with that red to make it darker in the corner there. But I will fix that up after we cut the crease, I think. And now I'm going to go back into the orange just to try and intensify that a little bit more. I feel like we lost that shade a bit. Oh my gosh, that was way too much. Okay. That's not looking the best. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? We'll cut the crease and then we'll go from there. Oh, cut creases give me anxiety, man. So on the inner corner here is like a really nice blinding highlight. I'm going to use my finger. That's pigmented. Oh wow, I don't know if that's coming across in camera. And then he's kind of gone with a bit of like an orangey like shimmer shade on the lid. Might go in with like this kind of peachy one here, and then just do the tiniest amount, I think. a shimmer shade or a matte? I don't know. I think it's like a satin. Okay, that's not doing much for me. But I don't want to go in with a super dark shade. So I think I'm just going to build it up from the corner with the red, and I'll start to blend that in and see what happens. You know what, I'm just going to go straight onto the other eye, and then I'll come back and see kind of how I'm going. So on the other eye, it's like all your cool tones. Okay, I'm going to go in with the nice light green shade down here and place that similar to how we placed that yellow shade down. I think from memory I do have to build this colour up a lot. I'll go in with another blending brush. I don't know which blue to go for. I think maybe the like lighter blue, this one here. So I'll go in with that blue now. I'm going to start with like a lightish kind of hand. I'm going to try and really concentrate that so I don't lose too much of that green colour. So I'll stop there with the blue, and I'm going to go straight in with the purple, the deep purple shade here, and then maybe I can lighten up the edges with the other one. And then again, I'll just leave that there now, and I'll cut the crease. Okay, you can see I've got a little bit up here. I'm not going to worry about that yet. I might just be able to cover it. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that shimmer shade again all over the lid. And then I will go in with the blue to try and cover that up a little bit. I don't know if this will work. Oh, that's terrible. That really is not that great, is it? Well, if I look like this, you can't see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it like this. I'm just going to jump off camera and do the rest of my like face base makeup, and then I'll come back and we can finish off the eyes. Okay, so I've just finished doing my base makeup. So I'm going to now do my lower lash line. So I'll go in with that red shade first and blend that underneath here a little bit. I'm just going to go with a very light hand to start with. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. Whoa. And then I will go in with that orange shade in the middle. Okay, and then I will go in with the yellow. Okay, and then I'll go to the cool toned eye. Firstly taking purple. And then I will go in with blue. And then finally going in with the green. I cannot wait to put mascara on. I feel like this is going to really complete the look. I feel like this side is blending, diffused out a little bit more. So I will again go in with the purple just to kind of like blend this down and out a little bit more. Oh my gosh, did I just ruin it? Okay. Very light hand. Yep, I've ruined it. Just tap. And we'll go in with a flat brush and just highlight my brow bone, just with a white shade though, no shimmer. Okay, so today I am going to use the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. I'm undecided whether I like this mascara or not. I feel like it looks great after you apply it like a few strokes, but if you do too many strokes then my lashes clump together, so we'll see what it does this time. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but they start to kind of clump together instead of separating. It still makes them look great, but yeah, I just really like them to be too clumped. And then I will do my bottom lashes. Okay, and then I am going to highlight. I am going to use the palette actually to highlight. So I think I might take this shade here. And last but not least, I'll go in with just a nice nude lipstick. So this is just my everyday lipstick that I wear. It is Clinique's Long Lash lipstick in the shade Blushing Nude, number 12. Okay guys, so that is the final look. I really hope that you have enjoyed watching today's video. It's something a little bit different. Yes, it's very out of my comfort zone, but I have been wanting to try this look for so long, and I'm glad I did it on camera. I actually am so happy with how it turned out. Like, it's definitely nowhere near as good as James Charles or any of those artists I was trying before. But for me, this is really, really good. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. But yeah, if you have enjoyed watching today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!